Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to look at this quantitative comparison question, and we are required to determine the length of this segment and this segment and try to compare which one of this quantity is greater than or equal to each other or vice versa. And we are given that PQ is equal to QR. PQ is equal to QR. But this distance is equal to this distance, which means that these two angles should be equal because it is an isosceles triangle. But is this information enough to determine that how this line QS intersects this side PR? I think no, we don't have enough information to determine the relationship between these two variables. Hence, the right answer would be D in this case. It's because we cannot determine any relationship between these two variables. While doing this kind of geometry questions, we should understand that what appears to our eyes might not be true, because these figures are not on a scale, and when just looking at a glance, this appears to be of same length, but in reality that might not be the case, because this angle can be anything. Both angle, for example, this line or this line, would entirely change the equation. Hence, doing quantitative comparison questions or other questions with geometry, we should really keep in mind that these figures are not on a scale. Okay, thank you for watching, and I will see you on another video.